Hi, today I've with me Galaxy F14 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. Let's first open the settings and then tap to Connections section. Here you'll see NFC and contactless payment switcher. So just to turn on or turn off NFC from here, you should click once on the switcher. Also, we can just tap to NFC section and to activate or turn off NFC by tap on the switcher. And to change the contactless payment, you should tap the contactless payment section, and here if you get another app, not only the Google Pay, you can switch them. Also, we can just use another way how we can do that. Just first open the control panel. To add NFC option here, click on this plus icon, find it here in the subsection, hold this icon for a while, drag it just to this down section, click to done to save the changes, and now we can turn on and turn off NFC by click on this icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.